Win or Learn. This is a book by John Kavanagh, who is the coach of Conor McGregor. And growing up in Dublin, he was a very skinny kid and he was frequently bullied. And he got beat up when he tried to intervene when a woman was getting assaulted. And that's when he took to learn fighting. Well, later on he realized that fighting, he's not good at it, but he's really good at teaching it. And that's when cocky Conor McGregor, 13 years old, walked into the gym and he turned him into a multi-million-dollar sports figure. Arguably one of the greatest MMA fighters. Little own story of mine, I had gone for Taekwondo Nationals and I had placed second. I made it to the finals, but I placed second. And when I look back on it, it's the reason I lost. It was the stupidest reason, because the night before the fight, I had slept really badly. I slept in a very bad posture, and the moment I woke up, I knew my back was gone. So I made it to the finals, and I was on 2 myospasms, 1 Crocin, and basically my entire back was burning because of the Volney and the sweat. And props to the other guy, he had 1 kick in his arsenal and he used it so well. It was an axe kick. This is what it kind of looks like. Yeah, and he used that so well against me. All you have to do is move and then down. But to move with a bad back is one of the hardest things in the world, according to me. And looking back on it, what I learned from that loss was that yes, training hard, training for 6 hours in class, training for 5 hours in class, that's amazing. You should definitely do that. But there's the entire other side of it, that's the recovery, how you recover. And no one really talks about that. So that really helped me in the recovery stages. Since we're on the line of martial arts and Taekwondo, another example would be my first black belt test. For my first black belt test, if I had passed and if I had gotten that black belt, I would have been the fastest person to get a black belt in the class, in my dojo. But the reason I didn't was the stupidest reason. I came late for the test, and no, I didn't actually come late for the test. I was sitting outside on the stairs, right outside class, because I was scared to go in because I didn't know what was going to happen. So I waited for another friend to come with me, and he came late and we both walked in late, and that was the main reason why I lost the black belt. So then I had taken like a 2-month break from Taekwondo because I just didn't care. And then one of my current coach right now, Karthik, he basically got me back in. He created this whole win or learn mentality without me noticing. So his mentality was not on win or learn. It was more like, don't get caught up in the winning, don't get caught up in the losing. But if you're going to get caught up in anything, get caught up in the learning. And that's such a simple concept, right? Like, it's so, you stay humble when you win and you learn from your losses. It's a very simple concept, and he's the guy that got me back in Taekwondo after like a 2-month hiatus. And in 1 month of training with him, I got my black belt in like 1 year and 2 months. It's pretty good, but not the goal I'd set out. Another example I can give you is in my school we have houses. It's spread out into 4 houses. You have yellow, blue, red, and green. I'm part of the yellow house, and I was the captain of the yellow house, called Satuj. For 3 to 5 years, we've been defending champions, and suddenly, when I come, we became 4th. And I really couldn't wrap my head around why we lost, and I kept making excuses like, oh, we didn't have this athlete, we didn't have that athlete. But I think one of the main flaws that I noticed as me was I was too extreme. Either I tried to go extremely fun with the people in the house, or extremely winning mentality. So I didn't play my cards right. I was playing both sides because I didn't know which one I had to go to, and I went on both extremes. I think that was one of the reasons why I think we failed. Like, this is just from my perspective. And this book is definitely like a book I'd recommend to anyone who's trying to like follow their dreams and want to reach the end of it. And for a martial artist, if you haven't read this book, I don't know what's wrong with you, dude. Like, come on, read it. See you.
And where down we go, go, go.